Today is a great day because I just bought a race car with Brett. This is our 02 Impreza Rallycross car. We paid
$500.
and it came with a lot of blue, lots of weird stuff going on. It came with no interior, no seats, lots of crap, some random gauges, again lots of blue, some switches. I think this is the horn.
Oh fuck. I didn't know we had a horn.
Yeah. So we have a button switch horn. There's no airbags. It's basically the perfect rallycross car. It's ready to go. Oh, it runs and drives great, except for power steering. But yeah, we're here today to pick it up. Obviously it has no seats.
Get this carpet out of here.
Yeah, so we had to go pick up a seat. Our buddy Zach donated / borrowed a seat to get it to our little shop. So we're gonna install it and we're gonna drive it basically down the street to our shop. Ooh! It's got a carbon fiber hood. It's wrapped in camo. It's JDM AF. Yeah, it's in decent shape though. What else we got? We got STI struts and springs it's sitting on. A lot of stickers. Wu-Tang. Little rally sticker for the boys. Some premium bumper holders, zip tied.
It's got mud flaps too.
Yeah, it's basically ready to rally.
It's got full JDM trim kit.
It does. You think it's replica or if it's original? Might. That's gotta be a rep. Yeah, I think so. Is the seat in?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. All that's left is power steering, top up, coolant, and she'll be ready to rock.
What the fuck?
Okay, give her a whirl. Oh, yeah! It's mint. Just needs to warm up a little bit. And a little bit of blue delete. Well, that power steering pump's not happy, but sick. I'm following in the chase car. It's our first official drive with the, I don't even know what to call it. Doesn't have a name yet, rally car. Hopefully she drives good. Looks like it stops all right. It's not puffing out any weird smoke. Yeah, it should be a good little car to go race around the track.